I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Know your current passcode and have the phone unlocked. Open Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your device. Once you tap, you will be asked to enter your existing passcode. Do that now. After verification, tap Change Passcode. This first phase confirms it's you and switches the flow into passcode options, so make sure you follow each prompt before proceeding to choose a new code format. Once done with verification, the critical step is selecting the passcode type. Tap Change Passcode, enter your current code again when asked, and then look for passcode options. Choose 4-digit numeric code from the list. This forces the system to accept a 4-digit PIN. Now type your desired 4 digits, make them memorable but not obvious. You'll be asked to re-enter the same 4 numbers to confirm. Make sure the confirmation matches exactly. Otherwise, you finish by confirming the new 4-digit code, and the iPhone applies it immediately. Test it by locking and unlocking once. If you don't see passcode options, make sure iOS is up to date, because older or managed devices may hide options. If the device is managed by work or school, contact the administrator. Troubleshooting tip: if you get locked out after changing codes, use Apple ID Recovery or a Finder/iTunes Restore. Keep backups ready so you won't lose data during.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.